This is the virtual tour of 926 Wescott Trail, apartment 104, here on July 13th, 2018. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. Window air conditioning, laminate floors. Everything in the video appears smaller than in real life, so in real life it's a lot bigger. All the way down to the other end there, it's about 26 feet. Coming into the unit, you get your secure access panel to buzz people in, fire extinguisher, hopefully you don't need that. Got a little balcony there, we'll take a closer look at it in a minute. That's your smoking area if you do smoke. Breakfast bar. Kitchen, by the way, everybody always comments on how many kitchen cabinets there are. So there's a ton of kitchen cabinets in here. And you can kind of see how many there are. We're going to take a look at the condition of all the appliances here as well. So this is it's a little bit older stove, but it's got a flat stove. But inside the oven, you know, you can see it's almost like brand new, right? If you keep it clean, it stays clean. Laminate countertops. Looking into the refrigerator. Once again, this isn't some moldy kind of refrigerator that needs a haircut when you move in. It's good shape, nice and clean. And we'll walk through the kitchen here. And then we'll walk through all the bedrooms. Dishwasher. Nothing special here, but there again too, it's nice clean dishwasher. It's not all full of junk. If you're going to put your dishes in there, you want it to be clean. Even underneath the cabinet, right? It's not all falling apart. Actually, the vinyl's coming off the back there. They should have stapled it, but okay. So the vanity, and we'll turn on the light here so you can see a little bit. Here's the main bathroom, the guest bathroom, you could say. We also have a master bath. The fan's a little noisy, but it's in good shape. ADA compliant toilet, ceramic tile floors. You know, we got 6-panel doors, and we just did the 6-panel upgrade this past turn. So we replaced all the doors, all the closet doors. Right outside the bathroom's a closet. Plenty of shelves. Master bedroom is here. This is about, I'm going by memory here, about 12 by 14, I think. Master bathroom, just has a shower. This is just a stick-on square tiles, nothing fancy. Underneath, once again, that's a nice laminate or vinyl. Little spot to store your towels if you need to. Towel hook. Everything's clean in here. So once again, this is the master bedroom here. Next bedroom is the middle bedroom. It's the smallest one of the two, and I think this is about 8 by 10. You know, once again, I'm going from memory. It's got mini blinds on the window, as all of them. And we'll look out this window. We didn't look out the master bedroom window, but it's the same view, except it's kind of a rotten day here today, so all the windows are kind of crappy, so it's all rain all over the windows. But you can see the woods on the back side anyway. Nice quiet. Closet. We didn't look at the other closet in the master bedroom, but they're all about the same. This one here, the door is 3 feet, 2 feet long, shelf and a closet rod. The closet in here is 5 feet and 2 feet deep, so nothing fancy in here either, but it is a closet. Coming here, we get the furnace room. You know, and I just poke our head in here. It's got a new furnace. We put that in about a year ago, but yeah, you got your own furnace. Water heaters in there as well. This is the 3rd bedroom, and I want to say this was about 9 by 13. Mini blinds on the window. And we'll pan around here to the closets. Just got done hanging that closet door this morning, so it's there. Once again, nothing fancy here. You just have carpet and a shelf, right? Hang your stuff. That's about all you need in these closets. You could call them a walk-in closet if you can get in there. So that's it. So we got the master bedroom, right? The middle bedroom, and the last bedroom. Furnace room in that closet. So we're gonna walk back out. That's the linen closet, that's the main bath. Kitchen to the left. Window air conditioner. We're just gonna pan it all the way around here so you can see it from this angle. Nice closet when you come in, and that closet's, the doors are 6 feet plus another foot on each side of it, give or take. The kitchen from this angle. Real nice kitchen. Everybody likes these kitchens. They're nice, that's why. So, okay, I'm gonna get rid of those things on the top shelf, but yeah, nice closet here. And that, everybody, is the virtual tour of 926 Wescott Trail here on July 13th, 2018.